Getting school lunches to be nutritious is always a challenge, and this school has come up with the ultimate solution. Come on. It's a hydroponic farm inside the cafeteria. This hydroponic farm at the Martin Luther King Educational Campus in Manhattan was built by the nonprofit Teens for Food Justice. Each week, students harvest over 150 pounds of fresh produce, which gets served in the school's cafeteria. Teens for Food Justice's goal is to promote universal access to affordable, fresh food by training students to become urban farmers in their schools. I visited the farm during its official launch event.
The goal is not only to grow the food, to change what's in the cafeteria, but to connect our students with an understanding of the health and nutrition benefits of eating healthy food and empowering them to distribute this food into their communities.
What's your favorite thing about this program?
Just the fact that we get to work so hands-on, and I mean, we do a lot of learning, but like getting to actually harvest and plant and be a whole part of the system is like probably my best experience.
What was like the coolest thing that you've grown so far?
My favorite here is the kale because, well, we get to take a lot of things home. I love to just bring it home and then make salads for the next day, so mine is kale.
Do you think that stuff that you've learned working on this farm has impacted other things you learn in school?
It's definitely piqued my interest in agriculture, and I don't know, when you think of agriculture, you think of like a farmer, but there's so much else that goes into it that relates to other things.
Can you show me how to harvest?
Okay, so you're gonna grab the cork here, pull it up, you're gonna cut the roots here, like that, and you're ready to harvest.
Yay, yum! I love it. Kathy Soul founded Teens for Food Justice in 2010. The program has opened 4 farms in New York City, serving 14 schools, and has plans for future farms in Queens, New York, Denver, and Miami. What was your inspiration for starting Teens for Food Justice?
Food insecurity was an issue that students were really concerned about, and we started to think, what are the ways in which we can empower young people to address this problem? You can start with what they eat every day at lunch. A healthy lunch in the cafeteria shouldn't be something that we can't figure out how to do. So it just all came together in this program.
And how involved are the students in the day-to-day running of the farm?
When the kids come into the farm, they are actually doing the farming work. They're harvesting and seeding, they're transplanting, they're checking the water temperature, and they harvest all the food, they walk it over to the cafeteria.
It's a long walk.
Yeah, I know, it's amazing because this is the only school that we have thus far where the students can actually sit in the cafeteria, watch the food that they're eating grow, and eat it at the same time.
And how much food is this farm producing?
It actually is replacing all of the lettuce that the school would otherwise order from its supplier. So it's going on the salad bar, and the kids are, taking from the salad bar every day.
Okay, so here's the salad bar where normally the greens would be, but they told me that they've actually already run out this week. It's a Friday, so there's none left, but this is where it would be. Right here is the greenhouse. What's your vision for this program in the future?
Our goal is to bring this program to as many schools and as many cities and as many countries that can make use of this kind of programming. And the reality is that food insecurity is a global problem. The food that we're eating is so highly processed, and our agricultural system tilts towards mass production. This is a solution to that problem. It also is a solution to the problem of a world where we have a growing population but dwindling resources. So we're using 10% of the water in this farm that you would need in conventional agriculture. We're using all the vertical height. So you will see hydroponics and other forms of alternative indoor agriculture explode over the next 10 years. So, we want to be able to train young people to have good jobs in this sector and to really disrupt the food system.
The students made some scrambled eggs with the basil and spinach that they grew themselves. So good and fresh. Teens for Food Justice uses corporate partnerships and private donations to build every farm. If you'd like to donate, you can visit teensforfoodjustice.org/donate. If you like this video, please share it, and we'll see you next time.
Perfect. Okay, we may be going to go give these to someone and be like, we harvested your plants.